About data transformation, that originally we have 50 values here, and then the mean, the average among these 50 data is x1. After that, we remove one data, we remove the last value, and the last value is equal to the original average. So among some number, we take out the average, then of course the rest, they have the same average. So the new mean should be the same as x1. So the first statement you should agree that. After that, another statement is ask us to compare y1 and y2, the original median and the new median. We can't draw any conclusion is that the median increase or decrease. We can think about some case. Case 1. If the average is here, left hand side, removing the average here will make the middle place shift to right. So the median may increase. But however, in another case, if x1 is larger than the median originally, if we remove some data here, then it will shift the middle place to left. So it will decrease the median, maybe. So that's why it's not fixed. We can't draw any conclusion about this one. It's not must. It's not a must. Sometimes it happens, sometimes do not. Finally, it's about the variance. Don't forget the variance and SD. Both are the measure of the variation. So if the data spread wider, then the variance should be larger. If the data more concentrated to the mean, then it is a smaller variance. So the key point is we remove some data exactly from the mean. So what is left are all those terms who is further away from the mean, because the closest value to the mean is removed. So on average, the rest of the data are more diverse. That's why the variance is larger than the original one. If you understand the meaning of variance, a measure of dispersion, then you should know that on average, this value have a greater dispersion from the mean. That's why C2 should larger than C1, because the data spread wider or equal to. Why we have equal case is because maybe all value are equal to one single value. So that means all value are average. Then if you remove one, then the variance is still 0. So this one is fulfill the requirement, and our answer is 1 and 3.